Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Windows has a built-in troubleshooter that can help fix many common update-related issues. Press Win+I to open Settings. Go to System Troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters. Under Most Frequent, click Run next to Windows Update. Let the troubleshooter run and follow the on-screen instructions to fix any issues it finds. Clear the Windows Update cache. Sometimes the Windows Update cache can get corrupted, which can lead to issues like error 0xca020007. Stop the Windows Update service, press Win+R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click on it and select Stop. Use the System File Checker, SFC. Corrupted system files can interfere with Windows Update. Use the SFC tool to scan and repair system files. Press Win+X and select Windows Terminal, Admin, or Command Prompt, Admin. In the terminal, type the following command and press Enter SFC/SCANNOW. Wait for the scan to complete and follow any instructions provided. Once done, restart your PC and try updating again. Run the DIBM tool. If SFC didn't fix the problem, you can use the DIBM, Deployment Imaging Service and Management tool, to repair Windows system images. Open Windows Terminal, Admin, or Command Prompt, Admin. Run the following command: DISM/online/cleanup, image/restore health. Wait for the process to complete. It might take some time. Restart your computer and try updating again. Update using the Media Creation tool. If the update still fails, you can use the Media Creation tool to upgrade or reinstall Windows 11 manually. Go to the Microsoft Windows 11 download page. Download the Media Creation tool. Follow the instructions to upgrade your system to the latest version of Windows 11. Try these steps, and they should help resolve the 0xca020007 error. If the problem persists, you may want to consider checking for hardware issues or performing a clean installation of Windows.